Good day, my name is Dele Ayemibo. Thank you very much for stopping by on our YouTube channel, Global Trade Tutor. And I'm your expert doctor. In today's video, we'll be looking at coconut water. We've looked at coconut. We've looked at coconut flour. Now we're looking at coconut water. You know, I took this for the first time about 10 years ago. Almost 10 years ago at Heathrow Airport. I was waiting, I've checked in, waiting to come back to Nigeria, and I was at the lounge waiting, at the waiting area, and I wanted to get some things to eat, and I checked the fridge, and I saw coconut water. It was about £2, and I bought it. I was very much interested. You know, I was fascinated. You know, when I see an export product, that's why I like SMEs. I work with SMEs a lot. I see innovative product, new product ideas, and it blows me away. I mean, I just see possibility, opportunities. So I was fascinated. I was interested. I wanted to see it. I wanted to check it. Eventually, I picked it up, and I was able to. I tasted it. It was fresh. It was good. It was sweet. But little did I know that the demand is in billions of dollars, even more than coconut flour we did in the last video. You know, so let's look at coconut water. Coconut water is naturally occurring juice found inside young coconut, and it has climbed the rank of trendy beverages for years now. Coconut water is the clear liquid inside the young green coconut, not to be infused with coconut milk, made from grated coconut flesh. It boasts a very natural, sweet, and slightly nutty taste. Nature beverage. Coconut water is a nature beverage, sterile liquid found inside young coconut. Natural electrolytes contain essential electrolytes like potassium, sodium, magnesium, and calcium. These minerals play a crucial role in hydration and, of course, the bodily function, muscle, and nerve health. Sugar, another component. Coconut water also contains natural sugar and small amount of other nutrients like vitamin C. Exported coconut water demand meticulous attention to ensure it reaches the international market fresh, safe, and appealing. First is the microbial specification, then the chemical specification, then the physical specification. So you need to get it right with microbial specification. I won't be able to go through the whole micro specification because of time, but you can get the expanded version, the Export Act, to be able to get those specifications. Micro specification, basically looking at the E. coli, coliform, use, and mode. Then the chemical specification, looking at the acidity, conductivity, pH, and Brix degree. Then, of course, the physical specification, all very important. It's so important also to note that the reason for the high demand of this product is because it is useful, number one, as a beverage. People drink it straight, use it in recipe. It contains natural sugar. Young coconut has more water and less sugar compared to mature coconut. Potassium content, high potassium content can be beneficial for some, but individuals with kidney problem might have issue with it. Refreshing beverages on a hot day, perfect for adding a tropical twist to smoothies or cocktails. Coconut electrolyte content make a natural rehydration drinks. It balances electrolytes. It contains vitamin C, with an antioxidant. Some studies suggest that it aids digestion and gut health due to its probiotic content and enzyme activity. Exercise performance. The electrolyte in coconut water may help replenish fluid and electrolyte lost during exercise, and then kidney health. Some studies suggest coconut water may support kidney health, but more research is needed for this. So coconuts help maintaining healthy blood pressure antioxidants, lower blood sugar, high in amino acid, good source of electrolyte, contains cytokines, prevent kidney stone, manage cholesterol level, improve overall health. Now, I took time to go through all that for you to know why the demand for this product is $3.3 billion. $3.3 billion. Who are those buying? The main market for coconut water is United States, 31%, almost 32% actually. Out of the 3.3 billion, about 1.05 billion is from United States alone. Followed by Canada, 8.3%. Followed by Germany, 7.9%. Followed by Austria, 4.8%. Sorry, China, 6.4%. Austria, 4.8%. So if you are looking at producing and exporting coconut water, United States, Netherlands, Germany, Austria, United Kingdom, China are your main market or market of consideration. Packaging is very key for this product. Remember, it's water, full of moisture. Proper packaging is essential to ensure quality, to ensure safety and freshness of coconut water during export. The container material is the first and most important thing. Use food-grade material for container to prevent contamination and maintain the purity of the coconut water. Common material include using a PET bottle, polyethylene tetrapylate, glass bottle, Tetra Pak bottle. Ensure airtight and sealing to prevent exposure to external element to maintain its freshness. The size will vary depending on the market you are shipping to. Labeling is important. Provide nutritional facts, the ingredient, the expiry date, and manufacturing detail. It's so important to ensure that you opt for packaging that ensures shelf stability, prevents spoilage. Consider pasteurization, another preservation method. Some countries actually require pasteurization if you are bringing it into the country. Protective packaging. Use packaging that provide protection against external factors, sunlight, heat. And consider sustainability also. And choose packaging that can make it easier to carry for easy transportation. It's important the carton is aseptic. Most common method for export involves sterile aseptic carton made from layered material like plastic and aluminum. These cartons are pre-sterilized and filled with coconut water under an aseptic condition. You can also use a food-grade plastic bottles. Now, let's move on to discuss the documentation. As usual, commercial invoice, packing list, bill of lading, certificate of origin, certificate of analysis, health certificate, some country, phytosanitary. In Nigeria, a NAFDAC certificate will be required. Some countries require pasteurizing of coconut water, especially for long distance journey, and confirm such requirement and provide documentation. Now, if coconut water has any additive or preservative, you need to declare it in the labeling. Specific test for microbia like E. coli and Salmonella is also required to ensure this coconut water is top-notch. Before we close on coconut water, can I look at some pitfalls? Contamination is a very important pitfall. It can occur during the processing, the packaging, and it lead to deterioration of the coconut water. So strict hygiene and sanitation practices is very, very important. There's so many other pitfalls that you need to consider, up to about 7 additional 8 pitfalls. Because of time, I want to keep this video as short as possible. I won't be talking about that. But for those that want to export coconut water or want to learn more about coconut water, to be able to see if it's something worthy of consideration. Remember, it's over $3 billion market. You can get the Export Hack. Export Hack for coconut water. Export Hack for coconut water. Now, this will provide all the information you need, including pricing, including purchaser, and a number of other things I could not talk about because of time. If this video has been of help to you, give us a thumbs up. You want to join our community? Don't forget to share with your friends and click on the notification bell and subscribe to our channel. My name is Delaimba and I'm your expert doctor, and I'm signing out. Thank you very much. See you in the next video, and bye-bye.